Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start the numericals of unit 6. The numerical number 1 is determine the work done in each of the following case. Kicking a square ball forward with the force of 40 Newton over a distance of 15 centimeter. स्केयर बॉल फुटबॉल को कहते हैं और आपके पास है 40 न्यूटन्स फोर्स एंड द डिस्टेंस इज 15 centimeter. So it's a part A. First we are doing a part A. In the numerical number 1, part A is a 40 Newton and the distance given into a 15 centimeter. We are going to convert a 16 centimeter into a meter. So divide a 15 to 100. Answer is 0.15 meter. Required data is work. We know that a W equals to F into S. Simple putting the value. Put the value of F 40 Newton and the distance is 0.15 meter. Multiply 40 into a 0.15 meter. The answer is a 6 Newton meter. Newton meter equals to a joule. So the work is a 6 joule. Results is a work W equals to a 6 joule. In a part B, the question is given to you that lifting a 50 kilogram bare ball straight up 1.95 meter. So that they are told you that mass is the same, that mass is the 50 kg and the height is 1.95 meter. So the ball is thrown in the upward direction, so acceleration due to the gravity also come there. So the acceleration due to the gravity equals to a 9.8 meter per second square. Required data work equals to W question mark. As for the weight formula, we know that W equals to E and E equals to mgh. So the W equals to mgh. Simply put the value when we start the solution, that m instead of m you can write a 50. G value is 9.8 meter per second square and the h is 1.95 meter. Multiply 50 into a 9.8, answers comes a 490. Multiply a 1.95. When you are going to multiply a 490 into a 1.95, the answers comes a 955.5 joules. So work equals to a 955.5 joules. So we have done a part B also. There is a numerical number 2. In a numerical number 2, the question is calculate the velocity of 1.2 kg falling star meteorites with 5.5 multiply a 10 raised to the power 8 joule of energy. So what is given to you, that a mass is given to you and the kinetic energy is given to you, because the star is falling moving so its energy is a kinetic energy. Clear? Kinetic energy. So required is the velocity. We are going to calculate the velocity. Formula is kinetic energy equals to half mv square. When we start the solution, what we do that we are going to find out the velocity. So first we take out the v from the formula. Multiply both sides by 2. Here we are going to multiply, and left and right both sides we are going to multiply a 2. 2 is cut it from there and shifted to the left hand side. We are going to multiply because the 2 is in the divide form. So we are going to multiply. So the equations comes at 2ek equals to mv square. Now we are going to remove a m. Divide both sides by m because it's multiply with the velocity. When we are going to divide, m is shifted to a left hand side. So v square equals to 2ek divided by m equals to v square. We are going to find out the velocity, simple v. Here the square. So we are going to remove the square also. What we do that taking square root on both sides. So the square cut with the square root and the under root square root 2ek divided by m comes. So velocity equals to square root 2ek divided by m. Simply we are going to putting the values now. The value of ek is 5.5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 8 joules divided by 1.2 kg. We are going to multiply the numerators, the answers comes there, and divided by 1.2, the answers comes like this if we are going to divide it. When we take a square root, the answers comes at 30276.5 meter per second. Clear? So we are going to what we do that converted into a scientific notation. 3 into 10 raised to power 4. Point shifted to here. 1 2 3 4 4 digits jump karega 10 raised to power 4. 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 4 meter per second. The results comes a velocity equals to a v equals to 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 4 meter per second. Clear? Now the 10 is the numerical number 3. Numerical number 3 is calculate the gravitational potential energy of a 2000 kg piano. The part A is a rest on the floor, means that a piano is at that time is resting on the floor. The part A is mass equals to 2000 kg and the height is 0 because it is in the form of resting on the floor. And the acceleration due to the gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. Required is the calculate the gravitational potential energy. We are going to calculate the gravitational potential energy, EGPE. We are going to calculate. Formula is potential energy is mgh, E equals to mgh. We simply put the value in the formula. The value of m is given to you that at 2000, g is 9.8 and the h is 0. Multiply these three, the answers comes a 0. Gravitational potential energy comes a 0. And we know that it's in a rest form, so the gravitational potential energy comes a 0. Now in a part B, the question is given to you that with respect to the basement floor 1.9 meter below, so the heights comes a 1.9 meter. The mass is same 2000 kg, and we know that due to gravitational acceleration the gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. Again we are going to find a gravitational potential energy EGPE, EGEP. Okay, we know that our potential energy equals to mgh. Putting the value 2000, 9.8, 1.9. 1.9 is the h which is given in the question. Multiply these three, the answers comes at 37,240 joules. We are converted into a scientific notation. It comes to a 3.7. Point आपके पास यहाँ पर है. They are going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, 10 power 4. So the gravitational potential energy comes a 3.7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 4 joules. Now the numerical number 4 is an elevator weight is 5000 Newton is raised to a weight of weight of 15.0 meter is 10 seconds. How much power is developed? Given data is force equals to 5000, distance is given to you 15 and the time is 10. They are told you that asking about the power. Required data power. Formula P equals to W into W by T. As we know that W equals to F into S. So put the value P equals to F into ST. Clear? Now the simple that solution, putting the value that instead of F we are going to put a 5000, S 15 and time is 10. You are going to multiply and divide, the answers comes as 7500 watts. Powers comes as 7500 watts. I hope you will be understand. Now the numerical number 5. There is a numerical number 5 that what power is required for a skill chair lift with that transports 500 people's average mass is 65 kg per hour and is an increased evolutions of 1200 meter. There is a number of people is given to you 500 and the per person weight is 65. You are going to multiply 50 to a 65. The weight comes at 32,500 kg. So we are going to in scientific notation 3.2 multiplied by 10 is to power 4. Total mass come of the 500 people, total mass is 3.2 multiplied by 10 is to power 4 kg. Height is given to you a 1200. Time is given to a 1 hour. In a 1 hour 60 minutes and a 60 seconds. Multiply 16 to a 60, 3600. Clear? Seconds. Acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. We are going to calculate a power P equals to W by T. We know that W equals to E and E equals to mgh. So instead of W we are going to write a mgh divided by T. Putting the value in the value of m, h and the g and h divided by a time. When we are going to multiply, the values comes and after that you are going to divide on the time 3600. So the answers come are 104,533.3 watt. Converted into a scientific notations, it comes a 1.0 multiplied 10 is to power 5 watt. The results comes power equals to 1.0 multiplied 10 is to power 5 watts. Numerical number 5 is also done.